This is my electronic product design projects, and this is my midterm reports. So the main body of my project here is basically in these two units, where I wrote the code for wavetable synthesis oscillators inside the Bella development board, which support a high resolution, also really short, like really small buffer size processing, where you can do some real time like tweakings to the sound and also do some modulations. That is gonna run really smooth and it's gonna sound just really neat. And I built out this like the main body, like the prototype, it was controlling by the knob originally, but like in the end I added like 3 CV ports that allow that allow this oscillator to talk to other URX modules, which they use the same format. As you can see, basically like a 3.5 millimeter jacks, but this one spit out CV voltage rather than the audio signals. And I hooked up this small demonstrations where it will showcase like what I try to make and like what I try to accomplish for the class here. So I'm gonna just turn on. So right now, basically this module here is sending out ADSR, like envelopes that control amplitude and also the frequency to Bella. So if I tweak it, you're gonna hear some like you're gonna hear some like basically like a so it's the gain super low. So you can hear is now it's just running really slow, like open it up because I put the the attack and also the release super low. But if I tweak the sound, it became more percussive. And so you can basically reshape the sound of the wavetable and also have this modulator here. That the y-axis of this joystick is going to control the frequency. Yeah. And you can also process it with some other modules. For example, this mimeophone from Make Noise that basically work as a granulator but also a sampler. So you can have some weird timbre that can tweak the sound into like a weird noise machine already. So right now I basically just recorded to like a really short window. So when we're like tweaking the sound, it is basically producing this like the same like just like a really short like a sample. And if I just turn it back, like bypass the mimeophone, you can return to the wavetable itself. So just only using this like 4 modules here, you can basically create some like really weird stuff and a really interesting sound for the production or some other purposes. And everything like for this everything the sound that's being generated either through mimeophone or like through the speaker is all powered by this module here that basically spit out everything encoded. And yeah, that's it for the midterm report. Thank you guys.